The Fukushima Daiichi nuclear disaster occurred in March 2011 after a massive earthquake and tsunami struck Japan. The disaster led to a series of meltdowns in the nuclear reactors at the Fukushima Daiichi plant. One of the challenges that emerged in the aftermath of the disaster was the accumulation of contaminated water at the site. To cool the damaged reactors, water was continuously pumped in. This water became contaminated with radioactive substances, and managing it became a significant concern. The plant's operators initially stored the contaminated water in large tanks on site, but the volume continued to grow over the years. As a solution, the plant's operator, Tokyo Electric Power Company, TEPCO, has been implementing a multi-step process to treat and store the contaminated water. This involves removing most of the radioactive particles from the water through a process called ALPS, Advanced Liquid Processing System, which reduces the concentration of most radioactive isotopes except tritium. Tritium is a radioactive form of hydrogen that is difficult to separate from water. In 2020, the Japanese government and TEPCO announced a plan to gradually release the treated water into the Pacific Ocean. This plan was met with mixed reactions, both domestically and internationally. Some expressed concerns about potential environmental impacts and the perception of nuclear contamination in the ocean. The plant operator says the water has been filtered of all radioactive elements except for tritium and is safe. On Thursday, the International Atomic Energy Agency, IAEA, said samples taken from the first batch of diluted water prepared for discharge showed tritium levels were well within safe limits. Tokyo, August 24th, Reuters. Japan started releasing treated radioactive water from the wrecked Fukushima nuclear power plant into the Pacific Ocean on Thursday, a polarizing move that prompted China to announce an immediate blanket ban on all aquatic products from Japan. China is highly concerned about the risk of radioactive contamination brought by Japan's food and agricultural products, the Customs Bureau said in a statement.